It's easy to believe God is good when life goes well, but disappointments test our trust in His sovereignty. Romans 8:28 isn't a cliche, it's a cornerstone of faith. Even when things seem confusing or cruel, God is actively weaving every event into His redemptive plan. Nothing is wasted in His hands. The delays, detours, and even the denials are all raw materials in the masterpiece He's creating in your life. This truth doesn't mean we must enjoy our disappointments, but it does mean we can endure them with hope. We might not always see the good immediately, but in time, God will make it clear, either on this side of eternity or the next. Faith holds on, not because it understands everything, but because it trusts the one who does. When disappointment hits, cling to the truth that God's purpose are always wise, loving, and far reaching. And we know that in all things, God works for good of those who love Him and who have been called according to His purpose.